Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Wow, look at that plane right there, y'all. I forgot what kind of plane that. I was just looking at a plane like that. Can't remember what type of plane that was, but anyhow, I'm out here with my own little plane. Y'all see the double F on here? Y'all see it? Frequent flyer, flyer frequency. Yeah, this the BM F22. I'm out here with that. Got the stock transmitter again. It does fly with multi-protocol radio on the SG F22 protocol. Same protocol as the SG F22, just a little larger. And props on the back of the wing instead of the front. No vertical mode. Awesome flyer. I actually like this one a little better, so this has become my favorite plane. my favorite micro plane here, y'all. But let me take this thing up in the air. This is my first flight of this thing out in daylight. The only other flight I had of this thing, I was flying it at night. And this thing has a roll button on here that I want to try as well. So let's see. Whoa. Almost went in vertical there. No vertical mode on this thing though. It just has a manual mode. So that vertical flight was done in manual mode. Let's try this roll button. Whoa! It works. Does a fast roll. Let's try that other one. It does a fast loop, y'all. That was awesome. I hope that was on camera. Whoa. This thing turns on a dime. Oh! Trying to bring this thing down for a landing. My phone came loose. Phone came loose, y'all. I had to bring this thing down to an emergency landing. Let me fix the phone, y'all. So my phone came off my hat cam. That was a big scare right there, y'all. Because I was thinking my phone was going to fall. My phone is pretty heavy. I got the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This thing taxis really well too. Check it out. Just out here to check the one button flips and rolls. And they look awesome. Let's try another one. Hopefully this is all showing up on cam, because my phone did fall or whatnot. Okay, let me show you guys how slow this thing can fly. You can really slow this thing down. You can basically float this thing, y'all. It has so much power, you can really slow it down to almost a stall and still keep this thing in the air. The motors are strong enough to power out of it. And it glides really well. Come back for a landing. You get a buttery soft landing with this thing. Land it again. Oh! Try to land it again. A little bouncy there. Oh, you turn that to a touch and go. And a loop. Oh! Whoa. I tried to come off the throttle and gave it some yaw by mistake. Or did the wind blow me? I think the battery is starting to go into LVC there. So I'm going to end the flight there. The BM F22, guys. Awesome aircraft here. I love this thing, y'all. AliExpress find. Thanks for watching.